I think this bird is pretty funny. Yeah. It have a seed in its mouth. And you plant seeds every day. Like for what you do. An example can be what you like to do. What is fun for you. Nature walks. Art. Anything that you see has potential to be something cool. What about these two? Well, that weird. Anyway, spread your wings. You can do it. Explore the world and your inner self. You can find a lot of hidden stuff, always. So don't be afraid to explore stuff. Just splash in the water. Enjoy the nature. And have some fun along the way. I know I can do it. It's not hard, it's easy. Remember that?